Namaste, pranams to everyone. A very warm welcome to this third session of Learn to Chant Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram, batch 4. So before we start, let us do Guru Vandanam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh Matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. Once again, namaskarams to all the attendees and Harda Swagatam, a very warm welcome to the third session of Lalita Sahasranama Stotram chanting. Let us do the Dhyanam. Before we start the Dhyanam, let us pray Lalita Parameshwari to bless us all in this journey of learning Lalita Sahasranama Stotram. So I will chant once and then the panelist will repeat after me. So this will also be a revision for us. You can switch on the camera, Meenakshi. A small request to all the attendees. I will request you to raise your hands at the end of the session, like around 7:40, 7:45. So till then, please don't raise hands because the message keeps popping up for me and I will not be able to answer immediately. And the text also will become invisible. So please do not raise the hands till I request you to do so. Okay. सिन्दूरारुण विग्रहान् त्रिनयनाम्
सिन्दूरारुण विग्रहान् त्रिनयनाम् सिन्दूरारुण विग्रहान् त्रिनयनाम्
माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्
माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्
तारानायकशेखराम् तारानायकशेखराम्
तारानायकशेखराम्
स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम्
रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्
रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणाम्
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणाम्
ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. Repeat twice.
ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत्
तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्
पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम्
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकां सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
Now the complete shloka. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्
Uttamam. The second dhyana shloka. So I request all the attendees to chant along with the panelists while you are on mute, okay? So please chant along with the panelists, repeat along, though you are on mute. We had covered four dhyana shlokas, so we will do a revision of all four today before I move on to the next new verse. Arunam Karunatarangitakshim
अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीम् अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीम्
धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम्
धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम्
अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः
अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः
अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्
अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम् अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्
अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्
अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम् अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्
Tamam. The next verse. ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीम्
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीम् ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीम्
हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीम्
हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीम्
सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीम्
सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीम्
श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्
श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्माम्बराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्माम्बराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्.
Agrimam. I'll read this out once. Sakunkuma vilepana malika chumbi kasturikam. Sakunkuma vilepana malika chumbi kasturikam. Samanda hasite kshanam. Na, this is na. Samanda hasite kshanam. Sashara chapa pashankusham. Ashesha, see if you look at Shankara Sha, and we have Shanmukha Sha, both are there. Ashesha Jana Mohineem Arunamalya Bhushambaram. Ashesha Jana Mohineem Arunamalya Bhushambaram. Japa Kusuma Bhasuram. So in the previous line also, Bhushambaram, Bha is a Mahaprana, and again we have a Shanmukha Sha. In Japa Kusuma Bhasuram, Bha is a Mahaprana, Bha. In Bhushambaram, Mahaprana, Bha. Japa Vidhau, Dha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Smare Dambikam. Sakunkuma Vilepanam.
Sakumkumavilepanam. Sakumkumavilepanam.
Sakunkuma Vilepanamalika Chumbikasturikam.
Sakumkumavilepanamalikachumvikastурikam. Sakumkumavilepanamalikachumvikastурikam.
Samandahasite kshanam.
Samandahasite kshanam. Samandahasite kshanam.
Sashara chapa pashankusham.
Sashara chapa pashankusham. Sashara chapa pashankusham.
Ashesha janamohineem.
Ashesha janamohineem. Ashesha janamohineem.
Arunamalya.
Arunamalya. Arunamalya.
Bhushambaram.
Bhushambaram. Bhushambaram.
Ashesha janamohineem arunamalya bhushambaram.
Ashesha janamohineem arunamalya bhushambaram. Ashesha janamohineem arunamalya bhushambaram.
Japa kusuma bhasuram.
Japa kusuma bhasuram. Japa kusuma bhasuram.
Japa vidhau.
Japa vidhau. Japa vidhau.
Smare dambikam.
Smare dambikam. स्मरेदम्बिकाम्
सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकाम्
सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकाम् सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकाम्
समन्दहसिते क्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम्
समन्दहसिते क्षणाम् सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् समन्दहसिते क्षणाम् सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम्
अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बराम्
अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बराम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बराम्
जपाकुसुमभासुरां जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्
जपाकुसुमभासुराम् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम् जपाकुसुमभासुराम् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्
सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समन्दहसिते क्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बराम् जपाकुसुमभासुरां जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्
सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकाम् समन्दहसिते क्षणाम् सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बराम् जपाकुसुमभासुराम् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम् सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकाम् समन्दहसिते क्षणाम् सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बराम् जपाकुसुमभासुराम् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्
Uttamam. So next time when you chant, try to chant without taking a pause after this malya. So it's Ashesha Janamohini Marunamalya Bhushambaram. Without a pause. Can you try?
अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बराम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बराम्
जपाकुसुमभासुराञ्जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्
जपाकुसुमभासुरान् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम् जपाकुसुमभासुरान् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्
Tamam. So, just to clarify, these are long verses or long padas. So, sometimes, we need to hold our breath and chant in one go. But if it is very difficult, we can actually take a pause at the appropriate place without disturbing the meaning. For example, Sakunkuma Vilepanam and then Alikachumbi Kasturikam. So, it's better to chant together as far as possible. Anyway, in Samanda Hasite Kshanam, if you want, you can take a small pause, small break after this. Samanda Hasite Kshanam, Sasharachapapashankusham. In the second line, if you really want to take a pause, Ashesha Janamohinim Arunamalya Bhushambaram. After Mohinim, you can take a pause. However, I suggest if you can, you should chant the whole line together. Japakusumabhasuran japavidhau smaredambikam. Or you can take a small break after this bhasuram and after Japa Vidhau. Next one. So with this, we will move to the first verse. So since this is imparted by Bhagavan Hayagriva, so the stotram starts with Shri Hayagriva. However, when we are learning, we will start from Shri Mata. Om Shri Mata
Shri Mata, Shri Mata,
Shri Maharagni
Shri Maharagni, Shri Maharagni,
Shrimat Simhasaneshwari
Shrimat Simhasaneshwari, Shrimat Simhasaneshwari,
Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta
Chidagnikunda Sambhuta, Chidagnikunda Sambhuta,
Devakarya Samudyata
Devakarya Samudyata, Devakarya Samudyata,
Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Shrimata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata Shrimata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Uttamam. As you are seeing, there are meanings mentioned for each name in this verse. So, for example, Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, Shrimat Simhasaneshwari, 3 names. And then we have Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta and then Devakarya Samudyata. So, 5 names are there in this verse. As the scope of this class or as the structure of this class, we will not be discussing the meanings in this class. So this patch or this chanting session is only for learning the chanting of Lalita Sahasranama for basically for regular Parayanam and memorization. So we will not be getting into the meaning in this particular course or in this particular batch. The reason I'm clarifying is there were a number of questions in the last class also regarding the meaning. However, if you are interested to know the meaning, we will suggest you with some of the commentaries, vyakhyanas, which you can refer in the upcoming classes. So for the moment, please focus on the chanting. And why the reason the meaning is there is when we are chanting, it is good to look at the meaning. It may be more easy for us to remember the verse with the meaning. So for that reason, as many of us, the elders, we want to know the meaning. This meaning has been provided on the slide. But however, we will do the chanting only. And some of you have actually asked a question that you're not able to see the course, like the slide deck or the recordings, etc. when you log into the course page on sanskritfromhome.in. So I will check with the Vyoma team on this. You can also, I request you to write a mail to sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. You can also write a mail to sandhya.vyoma at gmail.com. So in addition to this, there is a WhatsApp group being created for all the attendees of Sri Lalita Sahasranama chanting session. So if you're facing any continuous difficulties, you can post there on the WhatsApp group, so that somebody will respond to you. You might be getting, or you might have got the email invite to join the WhatsApp group for Lalita Sahasranamam. So you can post any queries that you have regarding course content, or any issues you're facing with login or any other query. So with this, I'll move on to the new verse. Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha. So in Udya, in the second letter of this verse, we have the and ya. Udyad, again we have the and we have a Mahaprana Bha. Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha. Again, Bha is a Mahaprana. Chaturbahu, we read this as Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadhya Krodhakarang Kushojvala. In Ragaswarupa Pashadhya, Dha is a Mahaprana, and in Swarupa, Ru, Dirgha is there. Then we have Krodha, Dha is a Mahaprana. Krodhakarang Kushojvala. So we have the fifth letter, the Anunasika of Kavarga, and then the Ka, Kushojvala. Ja, there is a double Ja, Jwala, Samyuktakshara, Ja, Ja, and Va. Krodhakarang Kushojvala. So let us learn this today. Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha.
Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha. Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha.
Chaturbahu Samanvita.
Chaturbahu Samanvita. Chaturbahu Samanvita.
Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha. Chaturbahu Samanvita.
Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha. Chaturbahu Samanvita. Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha. Chaturbahu Samanvita.
Ragaswarupa Pashadhya.
Ragaswarupa Pashadhya. Ragaswarupa Pashadhya.
Krodhakarang Kushojvala.
Krodhakarang Kushojvala. Krodhakarang Kushojvala.
Ragaswarupa Pashadhya. Krodhakarang Kushojvala.
Ragaswarupa Pashadhya. Krodhakarang Kushojvala. Ragaswarupa Pashadhya. Krodhakarang Kushojvala.
Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha. Chaturbahu Samanvita. Ragaswarupa Pashadhya. Krodhakarang Kushojvala.
Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha. Chaturbahu Samanvita. Ragaswarupa Pashadhya. Krodhakarang Kushojvala. Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha. Chaturbahu Samanvita. Ragaswarupa Pashadhya. Krodhakarang Kushojvala.
So this is the second verse. We will move to the third verse for the day. मनोरूपेक्षु कोदंडा, मनोरूपेक्षु रू दीर्घ, मनोरूपेक्षु क्ष, this is kodanda, this is n, ta tha da dha, ta tha da dha, the fifth letter of tavarga. Pancha tanmatra, in matra there is a t and ra, so pancha tanmatra sayaka nijaruna prabhapura. So if you notice here, it's not nijaruna prabhapura. You have to observe carefully. Nijaruna prabhapura. So there is a dvitvam, doubling happening at this place. Nijaruna prabhapura majjad brahmanda mandala. So in nijaruna prabha, bha is a mahaprana, bha. Then majjad brahm. So in majjad we have alpa prana da, we have alpa prana ba, ra and a. Majjad brahmanda, we have ma and ha with a dirgha. Brahmanda mandala. So if you notice, most of the names here are ending with a dirgha letter. Okay? Strilinga, Devi. So we have this ending with dirghas. And the other thing is in Lalita Sahasranama, in the first almost 100 shlokas, there are very long names. Like, we call this as, like, if you break this into 4 padas, Manorupekshu Kodanda is first padam, Panchatanmatra Saika is second pada. Then we have Nijaruna Prabhapura and Majjad Brahmanda Mandala, which is third and fourth. However, if you look at the second line, that is third and fourth pada, this is one name of Lalita Parameshwari. So we always suggest that we will not break or split in between in this. We'll chant this together. Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. We will chant this together. Manorupekshu Kodanda,
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्डा मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्डा
Panchatanmatra Sayaka
पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका
Manorupekshu Kodanda Panchatanmatra Sayaka.
रूपेक्षु कोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका
Nijaruna Prabhapura
निजारुणप्रभापूरा निजारुणप्रभापूरा
there is no dirgha here. Nijaruna Prabhapura.
निजारुणप्रभापूरा निजारुणप्रभापूरा
Majjad Brahmanda Mandala.
मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला
Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala.
निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला
Manorupekshu Kodanda Panchatanmatra Sayaka Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala.
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदण्ड पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला
Uttamam. So we will do one more. Let's have a quick time check. We will do one more verse and then I will request the participants to raise hands. Champaka punnaga saugandhi kalasatkacha. Champaka, so half ma and pa. Champaka ashoka, punnaga, there is na and na, punnaga, saugandhika, dha is a mahaprana, saugandhika lasatkacha. Kuruvinda Manishreni, there is a Dirgha here. This is one common thing which we miss. This is Kuruvinda Manishreni, Kanat Kotira Mandita. So, Champaka Shoka Punnaga Saugandhi Kalasatkacha, Kuruvinda Manishreni, Kanat Kotira Mandita. So, we have to chant this together in the sense the first line has to be chanted without taking a break in between. Second line has to be chanted without taking a break in between. Champaka shoka punnaga.
Champaka shoka punnaga. Champaka shoka punnaga.
Saugandhikalasatkacha.
Saugandhikalasatkacha. Saugandhikalasatkacha.
Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha.
Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha. Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha.
Kuruvindamanishrini.
Kuruvindamanishrini. Kuruvindamanishrini.
Kanat Kotiramandita.
Kanat Kotiramandita. Kanat Kotiramandita.
Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha.
Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha. Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha.
Kuruvindamanishrini kanat kotiramandita.
Kuruvindamanishrini kanat kotiramandita. Kuruvindamanishrini kanat kotiramandita.
Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha. Kuruvindamanishrini kanat kotiramandita.
Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha. Kuruvindamanishrini kanat kotiramandita. Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha. कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
Uttamam. So even in this case, so we are chanting the lines together. We are not taking a pause in between because these are individual names. Champaka, Shoka, Punnaga, Saugandhika, Lasatkacha is one name. Kuruvinda Manishreni, Kanat Kotira Mandita is another name. So we are chanting the lines without taking a pause in between the padas here. So there is a question. Let me try to answer a couple of questions. Yeah, one of the common questions which we get always is whether this is Brahma or Brahma. So this is Nijaruna. We pronounce this as Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. So this is Brahma only. And this is how it is being passed on to from the great gurus. So we chant this as Brahma itself. Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala. So some of you have messaged me saying that you have not got the WhatsApp invitation. So let me just, you can, in case if you don't get it by today and tomorrow, you can write a mail to Sanskrit from home at vyomalabs.in so that you get the invitation for the WhatsApp group. Some of you might have already got it. So if at all anybody has not received, please feel free to raise this issue so that you will get the invite for that. Then not able to see the recorded videos. Yes, again, please write a mail to sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. I'll follow up with the team and check if there is an issue. So meanwhile, you can please write to Vyoma team. Where can I find the PDF? The one you use in class with Devanagari and English, same thing. On the course page, you can log into the course page. Most of the questions are on similar lines. Can we get this slide with meanings as well? Yeah. So the course page will have this content and the recordings. Now coming to the Mahapranaksharas, there is a request from one of the attendees that can the Mahapranaksharas be highlighted? I will try to check on that if we can highlight at least the Vargiya Vyanjana Mahapranaksharas the way I used to do in the previous batches. If not, I will ensure I point out with a highlighter which are the Mahapranaksharas. Hope this would help you. So with this, I request the attendees to please raise hands for chanting practice. I will try to call out as many names as possible in the given time. In case if I'm not able to call out, don't worry. We will have a practice session exclusively where each of you will get an opportunity to chant and practice with me. So let me just go back to the Dhyana Shloka. I'll call out the names so that you can chant. Sudha Bhagini, can you chant the first Dhyana Shloka?
Yeah. Sindhurarunavigrahan trinayanam manikyamouli spurat Taranayaka Shekharam Smitamukhim Apinavakshoruham Panibhyamalipurnaratnachashakam Raktotpalam Bibhratim Saumyam Ratnaghatastaraktacharanam Dhyayet Paramapikam.
Uttamam. One small observation, Bhagini. So we need to be observing where there is a Hrasva, short vowel, where there is a Dirgha, long vowel. Okay. So I will chant once. You can repeat once after me.
Okay.
Sindhuraruna vigrahan trinayanam
Sindhurarunavigrahan trinayanam
Manikya Maulis Phurat
Manikya माणिक्यमौलि स्फुरत् M- Manikya it is half the, no?
Yes.
So we have to pronounce it as
T. Manikya-maulispurat.
Manikya Spurat.
So look, you can observe here. It's not
Yeah,
Mauli,
okay.
it's Mauli.
Mauli, yeah.
Ta
Manikya Spurat.
Taranayakashekharam.
Taranayaka Shekharam.
Smitamukhimapinavakshoruham.
Smitamukhi Mapinavakshoruham.
Panibhyamalipurnarathna-chashakam.
Panibhyamalipurnaratna-chashakam.
There is a Mahaprana bha here.
Yeah.
Panibhyamalipurnarathna-chashakam.
Panibhyamalipurnaratna-chashakam.
Raktotpalam bibhratim.
Raktotpalam bibhratim.
Saumyam ratna-ghatastha-rakta-charanam.
Saumyam ratna-ghatastha-rakta-charanam.
Dhyayet paramambikam.
Dhyayet paramambikam.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank
All
you.
these dhyana shlokas, we will be chanting in almost all the classes. So I will directly move to the first verse. Okay. So because every class we will chant, you will pick it up easily. So let me come to the first verse. Let me call out Madhulika Prasanna. Would you like to chant Srimata?
Yes. श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चितग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता.
Uttamam. Can you chant the third pada, that is Chidagni Kunda again?
चितग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Just that Mahaprana Bha was not heard well. So that's the reason I asked.
धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadaha. Udyat Bhanu. So there was a question from one of the participants. Why is it this in this Lipi Devanagari? This is actually Alpa Pranada and yeah, right? Why it is appearing as if it is a Mahapranakshara? No, there is a difference if you look at it carefully. Let me show you the letter somewhere. See, dha is written like this. Would you be able to see the screen in Japa Vidhau? This is Mahaprana dha, okay? And the is written differently. So this is actually Udyad. It's the Alpa Prana the, and we have a ya here. So this is the way it is represented. If you look at the English script also, you can make the same thing out. Udyad Bhanu. Okay, so there is no Mahaprana in Udya. It is Alpa Prana the only. Let me call out the next participant. Sumati's iPad.
उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला.
Uttamam. So in Pashadhya, dha is a Mahaprana. Dha. Ragaswarupa Pashadhya. Dha.
Okay.
Okay. Let me call out Anita Bhaskar Pandit.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Can you try this verse?
Yes, Bhagini. Bhagini. मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्ड पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूर मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
So don't take a pause after Prabhapura. Can you chant together? Try.
Yes, ma'am. निजारुणप्रभापूर मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaः.
धन्यवाद भगिनी.
KV Lakshmi Bhagini.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
Namaste.
चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणीकनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaः. Indrani Bhagini. I have unmuted you. You can try the first verse. Indrani. Ha.
Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Srimad-Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaः. Mahadevan Raman Mahodaya. I have unmuted you.
Can I hear it, madam?
Okay. Would you like to chant this verse? Udyad Bhanu.
Yeah. Udhyadbhanu Sahasrabha Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragasvarupa Pashadhya Kodakarang Kushojvala.
Okay. I will chant once. Can you repeat after me, please?
Okay, ma'am.
Udyad Bhanu Sahasrabha
Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha.
So this bha is a dirgha, okay?
Okay.
Bha dirgha. Chaturbahu samanvita.
Chaturbahu Samanvita. Chaturbahu Samanvita.
Repeat once. Ragaswarupa Pashadhya.
Ragaswarupa Pashadhya.
Krodhakarangkushojvala.
Krodhakara Kushojvala.
Uttamam. Just remember, dha is a Mahaprana in this case. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Rajashekar Saifon. Mahodaya, would you like to chant? Manorupekshu. Rajashekar Saifon. Mahodaya, I have unmuted you.
Sorry, I didn't see that.
Okay.
Manorupekshu kodanda panchatanmatrasayaka nijaruna prabhapura majjad brahmandamandala.
So here you should not chant like Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat. So after Ra, immediately you should take Ma. You should not say Pura Majjat. No, you should take immediately. Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala. There's no Dirgha. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Nijaruna prabhapura majjad brahmanda mandala.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Rahul. Rahul Mahodaya.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha. Rohit Mahodaya. We'll go back to
Namaste,
first
Bhagini.
slide. Namaste. First one, Srimata.
ॐ श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता
श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज
One sec. Rahul Mahodaya, go on mute. You can continue, Rohit. Rohit Mahodaya.
ॐ श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता.
Tamam. Janhavi Kulkarni. Second verse.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला.
Very good. Well chanted. But in the fourth padam, just observe once. Krodha karankushojjvala. So this Anunasika Akshara has to be heard. Can you try?
Okay. क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Sailata Pemmaraju Bhagini. Sailata. Are you able to hear me? I've unmuted you. Okay, let's move to the next person. Surya Narayanan Mahodaya.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Who's this? Sailata Bhagini. Okay, I'll call you again, Sailata Bhagini. Surya Narayan Mahodaya, please go ahead.
चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणीकनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
Tamam, just in the first line, Saugandhi Mahaprana Dha, you have to tell little more stress. That's it.
Okay. Shall I say again?
You can just first line only.
Yeah. Champakashokappunnagasaugandhikhalasatkacha.
Now, ga is a alpa prana. Generally, what happens is when there is an alpa prana, mahaprana, we will interchange. Saugandhikalasatkacha.
Saugandhikalasatkacha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Sailata Bhagini, I have unmuted you. You
Yes.
can chant the same verse.
Okay, ma'am. चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणीकनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
Tamam, Dhanyavadaha.
Namaste.
So there is a English words meaning for I'm just trying to address few questions quickly. Second verse, let me check. English meaning for second line interchanged. No, it is correct. Just give me a minute. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Good observation, Mahodaya. Yes. Thank you for bringing it up. We will get this corrected. Shravani Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha for pointing this out. Then let me, I think otherwise most of it is on the WhatsApp group. I guess there is a invite. Okay, I will just put a WhatsApp invite which I have received from the team on the chat. So you can use it, copy it, and then use it to, I think it's already sent. Yeah, it's already been sent. The WhatsApp invite. I hope everyone who is in this session have got this. If you are not able to join or any other technical issue, please write a mail to us. Okay. So let us do the Mangalam. And those of you who I couldn't call the name today, we will try to do it in the next class. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. धन्यवादाः and pranams to everyone. Ram Ram Ram.
धन्यवाद भगिनी.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवादः.
राम 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 भगिनी.
राम राम.